So now it's time to make one of you guys really, really happy. Let's do it. Yes everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Abroad Yorkshire. It's that time, it's finally reached that time to give away the Aferiy power bank, the P040. So everyone who's entered, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to pick it up, I'm going to film the recording of the draw on the iPad in front of me here. I'll show you that in a second. So if you've entered, the very, very best of luck. So today is the 15th, Saturday the 15th. Watch it, if you're watching, it's going to be Sunday the 16th. So I've got to actually record it now, get it put on YouTube for tomorrow, because all my videos are released on a Sunday, as you know. So for you, it's after the 15th, but for me today, doing the draw, it's the 15th, which I'll show you in a second. So a few caveats, like I've said, if you do win this, make sure you are able to come and collect it, okay? If you are the winner, contact me on the email, which is just here, abroadyorkshire@gmail.com. Just get in touch with me by there, happy days, and make sure you can come and collect it, all right? Or pay for the postage, like we said in the original video. So that's it. The other caveat is, some people have put more than one entry in, so this software that we use to do the draw, which I'll show you in a minute, it picks out random comments, or a random winner, should I say, with the comment of the word power, which I'll show you in a second. But if you've entered more than once, it knows. So there's only one entry per person, just to make it nice and fair. You know what I mean? Happy days. So I'll show you on the old floppy phone. Here we go. Video, and bang, that's you, that's me down here. As we can see, we're sat in the old motorhome. Today is 8:09, Saturday 15th of November. Happy days. YouTube random comment picker, there you go. So unique authors only, so if you put more than one entry in, it'll only allow you one entry. Include the replies of the word power. Okay, there's going to be one winner, and that is it. So today is the 15th, so if you've entered after the 15th at 8:05, unfortunately you have missed the draw. So the entry date, I put the 4th. Okay, we didn't put the video up till the 5th, so anyone who's entered after the 4th, which obviously is the 5th onwards, so between the 4th and the 15th, you will be in the draw. So happy days. So before I do that, I'm going to show you a little video about what you could win. A job is a good un. So there you are, boys and girls, just about to do the draw then. So happy days, good luck to everyone, and we will go for it right now. And the winner is, let's have a look, the winner is Jan LM2B. Jan LM2B. There you go, boys and girls. Well done, Jan. Well done, Jan. Get in touch, Jan, via the email, okay, abroadyorkshire@gmail.com. I'm going to let you I'll give you a week, okay, boys and girls, so just keep an eye on this. Jan, if you watch this video, I'm going to give you a week to watch it and get in touch via this email just here. If you've not got in touch by next weekend, which will be, I'll give you our next Saturday, which will be Saturday the 22nd, is that right? Yes, Saturday 22nd. If you're not being in touch by then, I will have to do a redraw, Jan. So well done, Jan. Congratulations. Thanks to everybody else who's participated and took the time to watch my videos and comment and drop an email and buy me a Guinness and all that. So you've been absolutely fantastic. Thank you very, very, very much. Goodbye, everybody.
Thank you all for watching this here video.